Thinking about upgrading your reading experience with the new Amazon Kindle Paperwhite 16GB? Today, we're diving into a hands-on review of the latest Kindle Paperwhite to see if it's the perfect e-reader for your 2025 reading goals. If you love honest, clear product reviews that save you time and money, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly tech guides and bookish gear reviews. What is the Kindle Paperwhite 16GB? The Kindle Paperwhite 16GB's latest model is Amazon's upgraded e-reader featuring a 6.8-inch glare-free display, adjustable warm light, and waterproof design. With the extra 16 GB of storage, you can store thousands of books, audiobooks, and PDFs, making it perfect for travelers, students, and dedicated readers. Pros of the Kindle Paperwhite 16GB. Crisp paper-like display. The 300 ppi glare-free screen is sharp and easy on the eyes, even in direct sunlight, giving you a true paper feel. Adjustable warm light. Customize your screen warmth for day or night reading, reducing eye strain during long reading sessions. Waterproof design IPX8. Take it to the beach, pool, or read in the bath without worrying about splashes or spills. Long battery life. Enjoy weeks of reading on a single charge, making it ideal for travel and daily commutes. 16 GB storage. Holds thousands of books and supports Audible audiobooks via Bluetooth headphones, giving you flexibility between reading and listening. Access to Kindle Store and libraries. Easily borrow library books or download Kindle Unlimited titles, adding flexibility to your reading habits. Cons of the Kindle Paperwhite. No physical page buttons. Page turning is done via touch, which some users may not prefer. Lock screen ads, unless removed for a fee. You may see ads on the lock screen unless you pay to remove them. Black and white display. No color for graphic-heavy PDFs or comics. Who should buy the Kindle Paperwhite 16GB? If you're a dedicated reader who wants a lightweight, eye-friendly, waterproof e-reader with long battery life, the Kindle Paperwhite 16GB is the perfect companion for your reading journey. It's excellent for daily reading, travel, and those aiming to reduce distractions while reading, as it's a dedicated device with no notifications. Question for you: what book is at the top of your reading list right now? Drop it in the comments so we can all find our next great read. Affiliate link for easy purchase. Amazon Kindle Paperwhite 16GB on Amazon. Purchasing through this link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, allowing us to keep bringing you honest tech and bookish gear reviews. If this review helped you, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly bookish tech reviews, Kindle comparisons, and reading habit tips to help you enjoy your reading journey fully. Thanks for watching and happy reading!